Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss about a geometry problem, that is circle and tangent line. This is a very important topic for O-level medium, and this is my first video on O-level medium. So let's get started. Okay, let's consider the center of the circle. The center of the circle we consider O, and we assume this point is P. So here we can see that this two tangent line touches the 2 point of this circle. We can write A and B. These two tangent segment are equal. So we can write that PA equals to PB. And now we have to find out this size, the unknown variable which we consider x, and we find that value. How we find that value? That is our purpose to solve that problem. Okay, from that center of the circle, we draw a two line OA and OB, which are equal because these two lines are radius. As we know that from the center of the circle, if we draw any line which touches the end line of the circle, are equal. All of these red line are equal, which is R. We consider this line as a R. So from that point of view, we can also find out the angle. The angle A, which is equal to 90, and angle B, which is also equal to 90. And let us consider the O angle as 122 degree, because that is looks more bigger than 90 degree. That is one kind of obtuse angle. So how we find out the value of x? So we know one equation which is called quadrilateral properties. So according to quadrilateral properties, we know that summation of all four angles equals to 360. So we can write that 90 degree plus 122 degree plus 90 degree plus x equals to 360. So from that equation, we can easily find the value of x. So we now calculate this value through calculator. Here it is 360 minus 90 minus 90 minus 122. We get 58 degree. We get 58 degree, and here is the answer of this problem. Okay, that is the way to find out the value of this degree. So thanks for watching my video.